People who eat dark chocolate have lower levels of stress markers and lower anxiety. And so chocolate is good for that.
What if the secret to better brain function and a stronger heart lies in a delicious treat you already love? Meet Dr. William Li, a Harvard-trained physician and best-selling author leading the food as medicine movement. His best-selling books, Eat to Beat Disease and Eat to Beat Diet, give us insights on harnessing the power of food. Dr. Li's work has even led to over 40 FDA-approved treatments for cancer, cardiovascular disease, and other serious conditions. Today, we're specifically focusing on Dr. Li's fascinating insights on dark chocolate. We'll discover the secret science it holds that boosts our heart health, brain power, and so much more. Plus, we'll share the best ways to choose and enjoy dark chocolate for maximum benefits. So make sure you keep watching. Number 7. Improves heart health. Dark chocolate's impact on the heart is fascinating. Dr. Li highlights a groundbreaking study on the power of cocoa, rich in compounds called polyphenols.
That if they drank 2 cups of dark, hot cocoa that is really enriched with polyphenols, they could double the number of stem cells in their bloodstream that can repair their circulation and improve their heart function after 30 days. So if you just drank 2 cups a day for a month, that's how this experiment was done.
Stem cells are like the body's handymen, able to fix and rebuild tissues. The study suggests that dark chocolate with its polyphenols might significantly increase the number of these helpful stem cells in the bloodstream. But Dr. Li doesn't stop there.
Then they measured functionally how resilient their circulation was, and that also doubled. That's how powerful your stem cells can actually be.
Dr. Li explains that the study didn't just look at stem cell numbers. They also tested how well people's blood vessels were working. Amazingly, after drinking dark hot cocoa for a month, the participants' circulation significantly improved. That suggests that the increased stem cells, thanks to the cocoa's polyphenols, were actually helping to repair and strengthen the heart and blood vessels. Number 6. Good for the gut health. Turns out, what's good for your taste buds might also be good for those trillions of tiny good gut bacteria in your digestive system. Dr. Li discusses groundbreaking research from the University of Reading. Scientists there wanted to understand exactly how dark chocolate interacts with the bacteria in our gut. See, our guts are teeming with bacteria, both helpful and harmful kinds. Having a good balance is crucial for overall health. So the study showed that drinking a high cocoa beverage for a month had some impressive effects. It caused a significant increase in beneficial bacteria called lactobacillus and bifidobacteria. These are super helpful to us as they help in digestion, supporting immunity, and even lifting up our mood. But what's interesting is that the same study also showed a decrease in a harmful type of bacteria called Clostridium histolyticum. That's important because an overgrowth of this type of bacteria can cause serious health problems like gas gangrene, sepsis, wound infections, and other infections. But not all chocolate is created equal. These impressive results are specifically about dark chocolate with a high cocoa content. Milk chocolate, with its added sugar and lower cocoa level, doesn't offer the same gut-friendly benefits. Number 5. It reduces stress and calms anxiety. Stress is a normal part of life, but when it becomes overwhelming, it can seriously impact our health. Well, guess what can help?
Dark chocolate's been shown to calm anxiety. And did you know that research actually studied stress markers in the body? And what they found is that people who eat dark chocolate have lower levels of stress markers and lower anxiety.
Cortisol is our primary stress hormone. When we're under pressure, cortisol levels surge, which is helpful in the short term but harmful if chronically elevated. Studies indicate that dark chocolate can help bring those cortisol levels back down. The polyphenols in dark chocolate seem to increase levels of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood and gives us the feelings of calmness. What's more is that stress creates harmful radicals in the body, damaging cells. Dark chocolate's antioxidants help remove those free radicals, protecting you from the long-term effects of stress. Number 4. It beats cancer. Research suggests that this tasty treat has anti-angiogenic properties. Let's break that down.
Angiogenesis is a fancy Greek word that you can break down. Angio, blood or blood vessels. Genesis, creation of. And so angiogenesis is simply the way our bodies grow blood vessels.
Angiogenesis is basically the growth of new blood vessels. That's a normal process. However, sometimes these new blood vessels can become a problem by feeding tumors, helping them grow and spread. The good news is that dark chocolate contains special ingredients called procyanidins. Researchers have found that these can block signals that promote blood vessel growth. It's almost like cutting off a tumor's supply lines, starving it and slowing its growth. Dr. Lee also points out that not all dark chocolate will carry the same effect. Choose dark chocolate with a high percentage of cocoa, at least 70% or higher, and opt for minimally processed varieties whenever possible. Number 3, it helps stem cells circulate more. Dr. William Lee puts it during an enlightening conversation.
This was a clinical study. They found in people who wound up actually having drinking the hot chocolate twice a day over the course of a month, they doubled the number of stem cells compared to the people who didn't drink hot chocolate, right? But when they measured their blood flow, what they did is they put a blood pressure cuff on them, and which kind of like lowers the circulation of the blood. Then they let it go. They found that the blood flow was vastly improved.
While you might think of fancy treatments or supplements to boost stem cell activity, turns out dark chocolates are an easier solution. Dr. Lee's suggesting the special compounds in dark chocolate called flavonoids encourage stem cells to multiply. That means your body has even more repair crews on hand to help with everything from heart health to wound healing. Number 2, helps prevent diabetes. If you're a dark chocolate lover who also worries about blood sugar, there's good news. Recent research suggests that this tasty treat might actually help you fight diabetes. How so? The secret lies in the powerful antioxidants found in dark chocolate. These antioxidants not only protect your cells from damage, but also improve how your body uses insulin. And insulin is the hormone that regulates blood sugar. So having better insulin sensitivity means more stable blood sugar levels and a potentially lower risk of developing diabetes. But again, the type of chocolate matters. To reap these benefits, choose dark chocolate with a high percentage of cocoa, at least 70%. Number 1, helps protect DNA. Your DNA has vital instructions for how your cells function and your body grows. Unfortunately, it is constantly under attack from things like pollution, unhealthy foods, and even just the normal processes of living. These attacks can lead to DNA damage, which has been linked to various health problems, including cancer and age-related decline. That is where dark chocolate really helps. Research shows that the powerful antioxidants in dark chocolate, specifically flavonols and other polyphenols, can act like bodyguards for your DNA. These antioxidants help kill harmful substances called free radicals that can damage DNA. Plus, they may even help boost your body's natural DNA repair mechanisms, fixing any damage that does occur. Okay, turns out chocolate isn't just about satisfying your sweet tooth. Those antioxidants in dark chocolate are seriously powerful for your health. They can help with heart problems, brain fog, even protect your DNA. So, swap out that milk chocolate for a dark chocolate bar. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out the next one. Thank you for watching.